Hey everybody, we're back with another good discovery today. It's got a lot of outbuildings and there's some barns. You never know what we're going to find in the house. I'd like to take a second to thank everybody that has subscribed. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers in the next week. We have many other videos on our page. All right, we're gonna check it out. This one's been abandoned for a long time. Holes in the roof, windows are busted out. It was a beautiful farm at one time. I'm gonna come around here and get a shot of the front. It's actually the side of the house. Look at the gable, woodwork, detail. Oh, look at that hole right there in that roof. This is the back of the house. And there's the door. Looks like it's open. Alright, let's get inside. Alright, I'm gonna ease in here. Wow, I don't know what this was. That was part of the house at one time. Y'all, I think this was the kitchen. Yeah. So the kitchen is completely gone. My goodness. There's the old metal cabinet. Yep, there's the stove over there. Oh, y'all, check out this door. Look at the craftsmanship. Yeah, look at that. You don't see anything like that anymore. Look at that wallpaper. That's neat. And right off the kitchen, a lot of these houses had bathrooms right off the kitchen like this. No clawfoot tub in this house. I always like finding those. Tiny little bathroom. You'll have a whole family, 5, 6 or more people, and they'll have one little bathroom.
Another type of sewing machine, I mean.
Yeah, there's another sewing machine here.
That's
10 more.
in good shape.
Oh yeah, the wood's in tremendous shape. Yeah, it's very, very old. Don't know the date on it. My mother said when you're recording, always zoom in on the model number. Because she always wants to see. I mean, on the tag, she wants to see what the brand is, and I don't blame her. There's a pencil sharpener. It's not in the bathroom like it was in the other house. That was kind of different. Yeah, there's some built-in cabinets here. Oh, look, they have a pencil tied there to make notes. Wow, coming into the hallway. Look at that trim. You can tell the door sagged a lot right here. And oh, there's the stairs. Look at that, y'all. Not sure if I'll be able to go up there. All right, coming into the living room now. Yeah, it's in very, very bad shape. Yeah, You can really tell what the house is doing looking at that door. But look at the trim. And then the baseboards here.
I've never seen a fan like that.
Get a little corner piece in on the base trim. Yep. Jamie spotted this old boot right here. Yeah. Let's go check this out. Yeah, nothing in the closet. Let's see if anything's up there. Nope. All right. This trim, you know, this house is in very bad shape. Obviously, I don't think the house definitely couldn't be saved, but this trim could be. You know, somebody I'm sure would love to have this trim. It's in excellent condition.
Stay on the edges.
Yeah, it's in very good shape. All right, going into one of the bedrooms. Floors are a little more solid in this part. Look at that door. Very solid. Wallpaper coming down everywhere. Roof leaks everywhere. There's another closet in here. Nothing at all. Nothing in here. Well guys, I made it upstairs after all. Look at that old headboard. Footboard, that was a nice bed frame at one time. That's very unique. I've never really seen one like that. Alright, there's another bedroom. Oh yeah, a lot of animals have been here, of course. Nothing really up here at all, just a bunch of old wallpaper. It's a homemade door. There's the stairs. I'm gonna have to turn the camera off for a minute. That way, they have a rope to hold on to go down. I'm gonna turn the camera off. See if I can get down there. Well, I have to apologize about the lighting. I bought a LED light kit for my camera and went and left it at home. So I'm down in the basement now. You can see the old refrigerator here. I might try to open that in a second. Let's see, let's get over here to this one. I've never seen one quite like this before. Wow. Let's see if I can get a picture of the emblem on the door. Oh wow. Look at this old ringer washer. This one is in the best shape I think I've ever seen one. All of them that I found have been in pretty bad condition, you know, outdoors. Wow, this one's been protected over the years. Not much left of the tag on the side of it, unfortunately. Alright guys, I think I'm ready to get out of the basement. I'm gonna head on up. Out here behind the house, it's an old barn. Wow. Another wagon. See if I can zoom in on that. Hopefully we can read this. It's full of a bunch of old junk. See some boxes and stuff. Well, here's another small shed out here. Still got some of the original cedar shingles on the roof. Not sure what's in here. Huh, that's different. They have these logs notched out in the wall, positioned here. Oh, look. All the rope, and if any of y'all know what this stuff is, I'm assuming it's for horses or something like that. Yeah, this is on the wall in that little shed. Cattle spray. Fleas, lice, ticks, flies, lice, and ticks. Yeah, it's cattle stuff in here. Or horse and cattle, I would say. Here's an old garage there. See if anything's in here. Well, the only thing in here is an old treadmill. There's some scrap wood up there, old tire. Yeah, just a lot of old boxes. Got a lot of chains on the wall. I bet this was a nice place as well back years ago. Nope, nothing really in here either. Alright, I saw another building behind it. Let's go see. I think this might be an old outhouse here or a well house. The right size. It couldn't be, it's not big enough for much else. That hole in the end. Oh wow, this tree has grown up all the way across it. I'm going to try to crawl my way under here. Well, I made it in. The door will not open. Let me get a light. Okay. Yeah, I'm having to hold the camera in here. I'm hoping I'm getting a good shot. Definitely an old outhouse. There's the toilet paper holder. Yeah, this one's a two-seater. Well, that was neat. There's another outbuilding here. Look at this old switch here. Got some old doors. It's an old pump can. Just to show you, we've got huge trees and they're laying down. I crawled through this to get over here. I'm not sure what that is. Oh yeah, this was maybe a workshop at one time or something. This building's collapsed. Look at this old fence still between these two buildings. I can't get over there to it, but I thought that was neat. I came out here to film a house, and it was a house that I found about a year ago, and there was just tons of antiques in it from the 40s, old bikes and everything, but the house is gone. And very disappointed, but they still have this old truck out here. Thought I'd show y'all. It's in extremely good condition. Very straight truck. Still has the engine in it. You can see all the paw prints and everything on the roof. As far as I could see, there was no rust anywhere other than surface rust. When I say rust, I mean rusted out like typical Midwestern vehicles do. Ford twin I-beam. You know, there's no telling how many years this truck's been sitting here. And it's very, very solid. No rust in the rockers. Yep, key's not in this one. Yep, let's see. Looks like it says 88,000 miles. It's got a manual transmission. Yeah, this thing's been sitting here a long time, I'm sure, but it's in extremely good shape. Doors aren't hard to shut. Never seen one like that. The bumper comes around the side of the truck, and the back bumper here is recessed under the tailgate. Got Sam with me today. What do you think about it, Sam?
Looks pretty solid.
Very solid.
Very.
Straight too. See if the hood will raise. See what engine this thing has in it.
Oh. Not what I expected.
No. Old straight six. Well,
Toolbox built in under the hood's pretty cool.
you can shut it now. Alright guys, we're going to head out. That's going to do it for this video. I really appreciate all the support. Please help us get to our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.